welcome back to my channel. We about to do some new things on my channel. On my channel. I didn't even know this down. Okay, so look, I am back. It has been a while, but I'm starting off this year doing my DIY photo shoots. I'm going to try my best to hit every month, and I'm not gonna stop. I was a bit discouraged when I first started. I originally started doing DIY photo shoots because I was trying to get my courage up. I feel like I'm, a beautiful woman, cool, whatever, but I feel like I'm not photogenic. So I basically put myself in a position to make myself photogenic. And I think I've been doing pretty well, but now it's on. And one of the things that kind of discouraged me, which is why I kind of stopped doing my DIY photo shoots, is because I felt like, well, you can't do your makeup, you can't just be posing all these natural looks and this and that and that. Because I definitely feel like makeup, if I'm not doing like my hair, I feel like makeup definitely, enhances the picture. It kind of makes it kind of puts a little flavor to it. It kind of gives you, like, it's an accessory in my opinion. Don't know how to do that though. So I'm gonna just get over it. As you see, my nails are semi done. I always do my thumbs last. I do this hand, then my thumbs after both hands dry because I be, in there. But yeah, so I'm about to do my nails real quick. I'm still somewhat thinking of a theme, but I really just gotta put some eyelashes on, fluff my hair out. It's a braid out, so yeah. And we just about to get to it. I'm about to make some magic happen. So you guys are literally coming along and really just being a part of this journey. I don't know what we're gonna do. I don't know how we're gonna do it. I don't even know what we're wearing. So let's go. Make sure you like, make sure you comment, make sure you subscribe, and keep going along with me, y'all. I love YouTube so much, and I love when you guys are a part of my journeys, because that's all I do on this channel. I literally just do different journeys. I've done a big shop journey, I've done a lock journey, I've done DIY photo shoot journey. I'm redoing that now. And I've just done so many different journeys, so I just want you guys to be a part of it. So yeah, we'll be back. Alright, so I painted my thumbs. It's a little choppy, and honestly, I'm not that smart. I haven't ate yet. I didn't pick out clothes. I didn't do nothing. So I'm about to put this quick dry on it, because no lie, this be helping. I did these at like 2-3 o'clock in the morning, and they were dry. I'll say within like 10 minutes. So that's pretty dope. But yeah, so I'm about to put this quick dry on there, and then I guess mentally try to figure out what I'm about to wear, because I really do not want to mess up. I love this color on me. It's so pretty. I had it on my toes literally for like 2 weeks and been procrastinating with my nails because I tried this, what's it called? I put these press-ons on because I had to go somewhere quick and I couldn't do my nails. And I'm so mad because they had gluey, like they had the pre-glued stuff on it. So yeah, that ended up like messing my nails up, and I definitely did not like that. And it left this, I'm about to show y'all, whatever. You can't see it far away, so it don't matter, but like, you see that? Like how it's bumpy? It left a residue on there, and I'm like, I'm not putting nail polish over that. That's nasty. But it came off. It has come off pretty much on most of my nails. You can't really see it unless I just showed you like I did. I love y'all, so y'all get all the deets. But yeah, so I need my nails done. Like, I hate when my nails are not done. Well, at least not painted. Especially my toes. If my toes are not done, y'all, I'm depressed. Like, that's how you know. If you want to know, like, how is Shawna's mental health, look at my toes. If they're chipped, if they're not done, especially, oh my gosh, especially if they're not done. If they're just not done completely, oh, I am like at the like lowest of the low. But okay, so this shit need to hurry up and dry. But yeah, so do you guys like my hair? I tried to dye it like sunflower themed, so I definitely, okay, I know this was not smart, but I definitely have like a black spot in the middle of my head. And ideally, it makes sense to me because I'm like, okay, sunflower, it's like brownish black, like in the middle, and then it goes out. you know? That didn't work. So I have it covered up right now for the most part. In some videos, well, actually in one video, it only took me one video to see like, this is not working. But in one video on my couples channel, you can actually see like the black spot, and it wasn't even done. Oh, yeah, it was messed up. So I am a sunflower, okay? Despite the little black that you don't see, but it's definitely gonna be cute when it starts growing out. That's when I'm gonna be Mrs. Sunflower for real, and I'm so excited because y'all know, all because of Sarah, sunflower is literally like, I adopted it. Like, I love sunflowers. So yeah, but enough talking. I'm just really rambling right now. I'm really trying to let these nails dry, and me talking to you guys is like preventing me from doing other things, because in my head it's like, okay, it's a little dry, and then I'll go and, I don't know, put my whole thumb in something, and then it's like, Shauna, it's not dry. What did you think? So then I have to redo it, and then I'm gonna cry. So I'm not trying to cry today. I'm actually trying to like make some magic happen. So let's think of ideas. Okay, so I'm thinking maybe like just like a I don't know any terms. That's the bad part about not having any education behind, like, you know, photographing yourself. But I want to do like a self-portrait in a sense, like just kind of just like probably like from my waist up, sitting on a stool, very just like looking into your eyes type thing. I don't know if I want, I don't know how I want to do it. This is bothering me. Should I wear black? Okay, my nails really aren't coming through, but if I edit it correctly, it should. Maybe we won't care about the way my nails look. Oh, no. Don't react to everything. Oh, my thumb. Look, you see, I just did it. I'm putting my thumb in her butt. Okay. I knew he was going to react to everything. But yeah, so let's just get started. Whatever. I'm going to just do it. Again, thanks to my sister-in-law for getting me these lights, because I'm about to use the hell out of them. Like, I'm about to go off. Like, I'm gonna make sure I record the whole thing. You guys are gonna see everything. You guys are gonna see me posing and picking up clothes. So yeah, let's just get into it. Not even gonna lie to you guys, I'm, as you see, my computer's right here. I had to sit down and edit and get this video ready to be posted today, and I'm tired. I'm tired now. Granted, I shouldn't have probably laid down to do this, but yeah, he made it tempting. Say hi, Nana. Say hi. Okay. My baby girl was laying with me too, but she got up right when I tried to lay down, right directly next to her. So yeah, but I'm gonna try to hurry up and finish this, and I'm gonna try to get the video done today. If not, I'm doing it tomorrow. And that's the beauty of DIY photo shoots, because I can do them whenever I want. But yeah, just give me y'all an update, so I'll be back. It's literally 2 weeks later. I have a whole new hairstyle, whole new concept. I probably have different nails on, no lie. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, make sure you comment, make sure you subscribe, and let's get into the video. Been so lost without you all around me.